we feel that hopefully historians will look back at that time and they will recognize that there were a few leaders, a few companies, a few individuals who said, hey, this is something that we have to do something about. I think as the largest real estate developer in the Philippines, we will be having a real impact on the environment and on our ability to live sustainably here in the Philippines. We see a person waking up to a green and intelligent home. It's about life, it's about nature, but it's also about technology and productivity. And all of that all together in one place, leading, we hope, to a much healthier and much more productive lifestyle.
Good morning po! Welcome sa bago naming bahay. Itutour namin kayo ni Daddy, ha?
That's right.
This is my room. Kasama ko lagi dito ang sister ko. And syempre, my toys. Ito naman ang room nila Mommy at Daddy. Ang ganda ng corner windows, di ba? Halika, baba tayo.
Oo, careful ha.
Ayan, welcome to our living room. And to our dining room. Tara, labas tayo para makita nyo rin ang neighborhood namin. Daddy, let's go! Ayun yung house nila, Jimmy. Ayun naman yung kina Ana. Nagpa-play din kami doon sa park sa tapat nila. Ayun, kapareho ng backyard natin. Alam nyo, para kaming may park sa backyard. Pwede kami dong mag-barbecue, mag-run, mag-hide and seek, mag-fly ng kite.
Oh, isa-isa lang.
There's a jogging path. Nagja-jogging sina Mommy at Daddy dyan every morning. Playground. Dyan kami nagpupunta after school. Doon din sa clubhouse. Diyan nag-birthday party si Dave, yung friend ko. Ang saya nga nun eh.
Mukhang enjoy ka talaga dito ah.
Kasi po, dito, I can play outside with my friends. Malapit pa ang house natin sa school.
And I don't have to worry dahil safe and secure dito.
Daddy, saan naman po tayo pupunta?
Papasyal tayo sa iba pang parts ng Nuvali.
Yay! Wow! Ang ganda!
Anak, see the water taxis? Pwedeng sumakay dyan papunta sa office ni Daddy o dun sa Discovery Center.
Daddy, gusto ko pong sumakay dyan.
Sige, sasama natin si Mommy. Oh, this is the retail center.
Ang daming stores and restaurants.
And it's overlooking the lake, kaya ang sarap talagang mamasyal at mag-shopping dito. Dito kami nagre-relax during break time or after work. On weekends, while you and your mom are shopping, I wait for you here and surf the internet.
Daddy, mahal ba dito? Baka wala na tayong paambili ng toys.
Ha? Kayang-kaya ni Daddy dito. Pwede pa rin tayong bumili ng toys at mamasyal.
Yay! Buti na lang po, you and Mommy chose Avida setting.
Siyempre naman. Because we want our baby to grow up in a safe, healthy, and beautiful environment.
I love this place. Thank you, Dad, for our new home.
Oh, welcome, anak.
I'm sure you'll love this place too. See you in the neighborhood.
Avida Settings Nuvali,
where life has more to offer.